Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix EDENS crashing or crashing startup error on PC. Okay, the first method is to check the system requirements. There are certain requirements for a system to play the game, so make sure you check those requirements and then it will be easy for you to play the game. To check the system requirements, simply go to your Steam and type the game you are playing and go below to check the system requirements, as you can see here. Once done, now try to play the game and check if it works. The second method is to restart your PC or Steam. So for that, simply go to your Steam, click on Steam option and then click on exit. If this doesn't work, simply go to your start option, click on power and then select restart option. Once your system restarts, try to play the game and check if this works for you. Next method is run game as administrator. For that, you simply need to go to your Steam collections, right click on the game you have downloaded, click on properties, go to install files and then click over browse. Here you can go to the game application, right click on it and then select properties. After that, click on compatibility tab. Here you can see run this program as an administrator. Simply check mark it and click on apply and then click on OK. If this doesn't work, simply click on disable full screen optimization and then apply and OK. If it still doesn't work, simply click over run this program in compatibility mode and select Windows 8 and then click on apply and OK, and then check if you can play the game. After that, the next method is allow EDENS 0 through firewall. For that, you simply need to type Windows Defender firewall, and for the you can see you can go through the steps, select the app you want and add it to the app list via firewall, and show here you should make sure that both private and public boxes are ticked. Once done, check if you can play the game. After that, update your graphics card. For that, you should check if there is any outdated graphics card on your system. For that, I have given the link in the descriptions. Simply go through them and update your graphics card. The next method is verify integrity of the game files. For that, you simply need to go to the Steam folder, right click on the game, select properties, click over install files, and you can here check verify integrity of the game files. The next method is modify launch options. So simply go to the game folder on Steam, right click over here, select properties and click on general, and here you can either type -dx11 if and check if it works, or simply type -windowed and then check if this works for you. The next method is you need to check the graphic settings. When your graphic settings are not properly set up, it may include the texture quality, resolution, then it somewhere directly impacts the game. So what you have to do is make sure you set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid unwanted issues. The next method is close all unnecessary background tasks. For that, you need to open the task manager or simply press Ctrl plus Shift plus escape key. And then check the higher consuming resources under process and choose end task. Simply click over here, right click task manager. Here you can see under process, you can see which app is consuming more resources. Simply right click on it and click on end task, and now see if this works for you. The next method is simply update Windows. For that, type over here Windows search box. Okay, then you can simply click on check for updates option, and here you can see if there is any update available. If any update is available, simply update the Windows and then check if you can play the game easily. The next method is install Visual C++. So for that, I have given the link in the description. Simply go over it and check whether this works for you. The next method is change virtual memory settings. For that, you need to simply go to view advanced system settings in the search bar. Click on advanced. Now click on settings over here under performance. Then click on advanced tab here. Under virtual memory, click on change option, remove the stick mark, and then click on custom. Here write initial size will be 24576 and maximum size will be 49152, and then click on OK and check if this works for you. The next method is disable in-game overlays. For that, you simply need to go to the game folder in the in the Steam folder and right click over here, you can see the option enable the Steam overlay while in game. Simply disable it and then check if this works for you. The next method is run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, what you do is to simply go to the search bar, open graphics settings. This tab will open. Here you simply need to add the game. If it's not added, simply add. Click over here, go to the path of the game, click on the application and add it. So next, what you have to do is to select high performance graphics card and then see if this works for you. Finally, if nothing works, then simply it's time to reinstall the game. For that, what you have to do, go to the Steam folder, right click over here, select manage, and now you can see the uninstall option. This type of pop-up will appear. Simply click on uninstall and check if this works for you. So all these solutions hopefully work to fix the crashing issue or any other type of error you are facing.